Hello and good morning. My name is Naomi. I am an intern this summer with the Colorado State Forest Service, and I'm a part of the forest health team. So let's do a day in the life and see what I do for work today. Today we are at State Forest State Park. We are setting up 4 different blue vein traps to monitor our pollinator populations here. So we have 4 treatment sites that have thinning operations, and we're seeing how the pollinators are doing in these areas.
So for our pollinator study, we're really trying to see what the impacts of our forest management is on pollinator populations. So we're coming into areas like this that have already been treated and thinned for different purposes like fire mitigation or adaptation to climate change. And we're monitoring our bee populations using what's called a blue vein trap. And we set these traps out for 24 hours once a month because they are so effective at catching bees that in some systems they've been known to actually deplete populations. So we try to be really careful with how long we're setting it out there so we're not hurting the populations, but just monitoring them.
Okay, at this site, we are using a 1 by 1 meter square and going north, south, east, and west. And then looking at what the square is comprised of. So if there's woody debris, if there's grass, there are forbs, and just trying to take an inventory of what is on the forest floor.
Yes, and then we write it all down on our wet piece of paper. That wraps up my field day at State Forest State Park, so thanks for watching. Bonus content 24 hours later, we are doing annual data for our sites and picking up our blue vein traps. We caught 3 bees in this blue vein trap.